In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Move command in AutoCAD. The Move command is one of the most common tools you'll use to reposition your geometry accurately without changing its size or shape. Think of it as lifting an object up from one spot and placing it down somewhere else, with full control over where it lands. To start, type M and press Enter. This activates the Move command right away. Next, select the objects you want to move. Click them individually or drag a window to include multiple items. Anything highlighted is part of the selection. When you are done selecting, press Enter again to confirm. AutoCAD now asks for a base point. The base point is your grip on the object, the reference point AutoCAD uses to measure how far and in what direction the objects will move. Pick a base point that's meaningful, like a corner, a center, or a midpoint, so you always know exactly what you are aligning from. After you pick the base point, choose the destination point. You can simply click somewhere on screen to place it visually, but for precision, use Object Snaps or O-Snap. With O-Snap, AutoCAD will lock onto exact features such as endpoints, midpoints, centers, and intersections. As you hover near these locations, you'll see a small marker indicating the snap type, ensuring you are landing on the exact geometry you intend. This is especially helpful when aligning parts, closing gaps, or lining up edges perfectly. If you need an exact measured shift rather than clicking a point, use displacement coordinates. Instead of clicking a destination, type the distance and direction in the format X, Y, Z. Then press Enter. For example, typing 100 moves your selection exactly 100 units in the X direction. Negative values move in the opposite direction, like -50, 0, 0, to move 50 units left. In 2D drawings, you'll typically enter X and Y. The Z value can be left at 0. This approach is ideal when you have a specific offset or when you are following a dimensioned plan and need absolute control over the move. As you work, keep an eye on the preview. You'll see your objects follow the cursor from the base point, which helps you verify alignment before you click or confirm the displacement. When you are satisfied, your objects will be relocated precisely where you intended. That's it. Thanks for watching.